When we imagine space, we picture beauty, glowing nebulae, silent galaxies, and infinite calm. But the deeper we look, the less peaceful it becomes. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye in the cosmos, is now observing regions of the universe we've never seen before. And what it's finding isn't just strange, it's extreme. Entire worlds exist in conditions so violent, so hostile, that they challenge our understanding of planetary physics. These are not Earth-like planets. They are environments where matter behaves differently, where atmospheres collapse, and where survival, by any known definition, is impossible. And yet, what's more unsettling is not just their existence. It's how consistent some of these extreme patterns are. Today, we are not just exploring exoplanets. We are asking a deeper question. Are these worlds simply natural outcomes of physics, or something far more deliberate? Let's start with one of the most extreme planets ever discovered, KLT9b. This is a gas giant orbiting so close to its star that its dayside temperature reaches over 4,000 degrees Celsius, 7,200 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than some stars' outer layers. At these temperatures, molecules don't survive. Instead, the atmosphere becomes a chaotic mix of atomic hydrogen and vaporized metals like iron and titanium. This isn't just a hot planet, it's a world where chemistry itself begins to break down. Now consider WSP-76b. This planet is tidally locked, meaning one side permanently faces its star, while the other remains in eternal darkness. On the day side, temperatures are high, enough to vaporize iron strong. Winds carry this vapor to the cooler night side, where it condenses and falls as liquid iron rain, a cycle of evaporation and metallic storms. Not metaphorically, literally. Tidal locking creates a permanent imbalance. One side, constant radiation, extreme heat. Other side, darkness, cooling, atmospheric collapse. These planets don't rotate like Earth. They are locked, gravitationally bound into a fixed state. From a physics perspective, this is normal. But from a conceptual perspective, it resembles something else, a system that cannot escape its condition. The cosmic prison hypothesis. Now we move from observation to interpretation. There is no scientific evidence that these planets are artificial or designed. They are fully explainable through known astrophysics, stellar radiation, orbital mechanics, and atmospheric chemistry. However, theoretical discussions sometimes explore a broader question. If an advanced civilization, far beyond our own, existed, what would containment look like on a cosmic scale? According to the Kardashev scale, a Type 3 civilization could harness the energy of an entire galaxy. At that level, manipulating planetary systems would not be impossible. So hypothetically, a planet could be moved closer to its star. Orbital rotation could be altered into tidal lock. Conditions could be engineered to become permanently hostile, not as a weapon, but as containment. A place where the day side destroys anything exposed, the night side freezes anything that remains. Escape becomes physically improbable. This idea is not accepted science. It's a thought experiment, a way to explore the limits of physics and technology. But it raises a question worth considering. At extreme scales, does nature sometimes resemble intention? Rogue worlds and the edge of isolation. Beyond star systems, Webb is also helping us understand rogue planets. These are planets that drift through space without a star. No sunlight, no warmth, no stable energy source. They exist in near total darkness. Some may have been ejected from their original systems through gravitational interactions. Others may have formed independently. What they share is isolation. These worlds are not prisons, but they represent something equally unsettling. Complete detachment from any system. Silent, cold, invisible. Reality versus imagination. So what are we really looking at? Not prisons, not artificial constructs, but the natural extremes of a universe that operates on scales far beyond human intuition. The truth is, the universe doesn't need intention to appear hostile. Physics alone is enough. And yet, when we see planets locked in permanent imbalance, worlds where conditions never change, systems that trap matter in endless cycles. It's difficult not to wonder, are these just cosmic accidents? Or are we only beginning to understand how extreme reality can become? The deeper we look into the universe, the less it feels like empty space, and the more it feels like a system we don't fully understand. If you want more high-level breakdowns of space, physics, and cosmic anomalies, stay with Cosmic Cipher, because the next discovery might not just change what we know. It might change how we think.